Hi, I'm Kyle.bargfrede with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and this is a 2016 Premier 270 S Series Tri-Tune. Just took in on trade. Got a 300 horse Mercury Verado engine on it. It's got the dual console with windshield. We have a great jump seat that you can move around. Right now it's in the front. Black and blue accents with the tan interior. Only 30 hours on this. Great bimini top, center walk-through table. It's got the front lounger, great stereo system. Here we are at the back of the boat. You got the 300 Verado Mercury with the tow bar, nice stainless steel ladder here. You got the rear bench seating here on the back. As we jump aboard, take a look through. Raised helm, Garmin GPS, Polk stereo system, digital throttle and shift. Everything you need for fun on the water. Come check this boat out. Make sure you like and comment on our video. If you want to come take a test drive, my contact information is below. Thank you.